Good morning, students. This is Harsnath Sukla, and today we are going to discuss the second method of solution of quadratic equation. This is known as completing square method. Now, from 2020 onwards, this is not in syllabus, but we have to see this because this is important for uh, next classes like 11th 12th. So please try to understand what is completing square method. So let us consider we have given an equation ax square plus bx plus c, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is your equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we have to find ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So we have to solve this particular question by the completing square method. So first of all, we make coefficient of x square as a unity. That means coefficient of x square should be 1. So we have to take common a. Then this is nothing but x square plus b by a, x plus c by a within bracket, this is 0, and you know very well the next step is what, x square plus b by ax plus c by a is equal to 0. So please note it down. This is the 3 steps of this particular completing square method. So now we shall proceed. So x square plus b by a, x plus c by a is equal to 0. Okay, so at the place of 2ab, here you see this is b by 2a, so we can write it as x square plus 2 into b by 2a x plus c by a is equal to 0. The same thing, 2 cancel, but b by a. And what is the benefit of that? This is nothing but a square, that means x square, plus 2ab at the place of a, b by 2a and b x. So next step, x square plus 2b by 2a into x. So we shall add b by 2a whole square on both sides. We get x square plus 2 into b by 2a x plus b square upon 4a square plus c by a is equal to b square by 4a square. Okay, now next one step, this whole will be x plus b by 2a whole square. So this can be written as x plus b by 2a whole square, and this is nothing but minus b square upon 4a square minus c by a. So we can write x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So in next step, x plus b by 2a is equal to plus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So we can write it x is equal to minus b by 2a plus minus minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this you can solve, you get minus b plus minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So there are two roots. First one is minus b plus minus b under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and second one is minus b minus of root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This is also useful in the formula method, that is quadratic formula method, Sidracharya method. So we can see and solve some questions based on completing square method. Okay, so next one you see, suppose we have given a question like consider 9x square minus 15x plus 6. 9x square minus 15x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation, and we need to find the solution of this particular equation by completing square. So 9x square can be written as 3x whole square, so a square this is, and 9 this is nothing but 2ab, so 2 into 3x that is 6x, but this is 15, so 5 and divided by 2, so 2 cancel, this is c 15x only na, 2 3 is 6, 5 is 30, so 30 by 2, this is 1. So what is the value of b? 2ab. A is what? 3x already, so b is what? 5 by 2, so plus 5 by 2 whole square and minus 5 by 2 whole square, and this is what? Plus 6 is equal to 0. So this is the whole process. So we can write it as a 3x whole 3x plus 5 by 2 whole square, and this is nothing but 6 minus 5 by 2 whole square. 5 by 2 whole square minus 6, sorry, minus 6 plus 5 by 2 whole square. So 3x plus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to 25 by 4 minus of 6. So 3x plus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to 4 5 is 21 minus 1 plus 1 by 4. So 3x plus 5 by 2, 3x plus 5 by 2 whole square is nothing but plus minus 1 by 2. So not whole square, so 3x is equal to plus minus 1 by 2 minus 5 by 2, and taking positive sign and negative sign, we get the solution. Okay, thank you for today. Yes, have a nice day. Thank you.